Hi friends, today I have one issue. When I try to play the video, it's not going to play. I make the video on Galaxy S8 Plus phone, and then I transfer all the photo and little videos on my PC, and when I try to play, it's not playing, so it's giving error, that to play this video you need a new codec, so that's the amount I have to pay, if I want to run that video. So I gonna close and I gonna try to download the software free. And sometimes this is only the audio, the sound, it's showing, but it's not showing the video. You see, the only the audio sound is coming out and not no display. So you have to go on Google and write the codec pack try menu download. So go here, so media player codec pack. So this is the select your the window, whatever window you have it. So I have window 10, so I click the top one. So you have to authorize, yes. Let's download, complete the download, and then I hope it's gonna work, but let's see. Setup was complete, successful. Next. So once this code is downloaded and its downloading is complete, so then you have to go to the on your computer here on setting, and on the setting you have to go default app, and then go to window media player and click to the window media player. So once it's done, then go back to your video where it's loaded here. Try to play it, double click, see, now the video is going to play. So that's the video, before it was not playing, but right now it's done. So thank you very much.